Season greetings to one and all. Merry Christmas when it comes. A lot of people will be home tomorrow cooking their Christmas dinner, and then sitting at the dinner table with family and friends. But a lot of people who work in the private sector will be going to work because tomorrow is Friday and it is a normal working day. But thanks be to God. So, you know that I like to blend my fruits and my vegetables, but sometimes I am so tired. So sometimes I use true juice. But I like to add my own twist to it, and I use only the true juice with no sugar added. So I use one box of pineapple juice combined with one box of orange juice, and then I added about 2 tablespoons of fruit punch syrup, which is totally optional, but I like to add my own twist to it, as I mentioned before, and I was looking for a vibrant color. So I also added the juice of 2 limes. Yes, and I like the result. Well, it is not a drink, it is a juice, because I use pineapple juice, 100% pineapple juice, as well as 100% orange juice, no sugar added. So the juice is totally refreshing, and I like the color because I always like my juice or drink when the color is popping. Yeah, man. So if you like the recipe, you can try it. If you live overseas, I don't know if you can get true juice, but of course you can get pineapple juice or an orange juice with no sugar added in your country, right? It doesn't have to be true juice. I use true juice because I'm in Jamaica, and true juice is my best option with no sugar added, right? Yeah, man. So you can try this recipe and see if you will like it for yourself. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Please enjoy the holiday safely. Yeah, man. Guide and protect one love. Bless up every time. Walk good until next time.